Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. I wish I could say welcome to another sunny Sunday, but it's not the case. Unfortunately, we are driving through Peak District in torrential rain. It's absolutely horrible, but it is what it is. We are heading today to Performance M2 car meet. I think it's the only one M2 car meet in this part of the country in 2021 I know about. Therefore I didn't want to miss that opportunity to actually speak and see all the other M2 owners from the area. That's why, despite this rain, I decided to go. So let's jump ahead to the M2 meet, because as you can see, there's nothing exciting I can show you here.
Meanwhile, we decided to stop at the local Tesco, which turned out to be closed. So we decided to make some noise.
So we are almost there, and the weather improved significantly. There is almost no rain, so that's a very good news. I unfortunately had to set off because I've got a couple of things to do. It was a really nice meet. I'm really glad I made that trip. It was definitely worth it. I met a couple of very nice guys. I saw some old friends as well, so definitely it was worth to do the miles. So now I'm on the way to home, so I'm going to end the video here, but As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very shortly in the next video. Thank you, goodbye, do widzenia.